Hello, today we will guide you through how to update PowerPoint to the latest version. To get started, open the PowerPoint app on your computer. Make sure the application is fully loaded before moving on, so all menu options are visible and ready to use. This process is helpful if you want to access the newest features, improve performance, or make sure you have the latest security and bug fixes installed. Once PowerPoint is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on File. This will open the main Backstage menu where PowerPoint keeps settings, account details, and update options. If you are currently working on a presentation, don't worry. Opening this menu will not affect your file. From the File menu, move your attention to the lower left side and click on Account. This section contains information about your Microsoft 365 or Office installation, including product details, connected services, and update settings. It's the main place you'll use when checking whether your Office apps are current. After that, find the area labeled Microsoft 365 and Office Updates and click on it. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, the wording may appear very similar, and the update controls are usually grouped in the same section. This is where PowerPoint gives you access to update-related actions and tells you more about the version currently installed on your device. Next, click on Update. This starts the process of checking for the latest available version and applying any updates if they are found. During this part, PowerPoint may take a few moments to search, download, or install updates, so give it a little time. In some cases, you may be asked to close and reopen PowerPoint once the update is complete. As a helpful tip, it's a good idea to save any open presentation before starting the updated process, especially if you're in the middle of editing. That way, if PowerPoint needs to restart, your work is already protected. Also, if the update option appears unavailable, your organization may manage updates for you, or updates may already be turned on automatically. Once the update finishes, PowerPoint should be running the latest version available to you. Keeping it updated helps ensure a smoother experience and better compatibility with newer files and features. That's it. You've successfully gone through how to update PowerPoint to the latest version.